Hello and welcome everyone. This is a brief video about the Institute's LMS Moodle. The learning management system is hosted at lms.lnmiit.ac.in, and when you enter this website, this is the page where you enter. Now all the available courses will be listed here. There will be more as the time will come. You can log in to your account from this site. You can enter your user password, which is your previous Moodle password. If you don't have that, you can click on the forget password. If you still are not able to recover, please contact IT team and they will help you in resetting and providing you the user password details. So once I log in, the landing page of a user is called dashboard. So this is my dashboard. On this dashboard, you are going to find your enrolled courses, your calendar, some of the user details of related to your courses, some incoming events, some announcements, and a lot of different activities which are listed on this page. Now this layout is completely customizable. You can decide what do you want at which place. So you can click on customize this page, and if you don't want this learning plan to be here, okay, you can just delete it. I don't want this block here. I don't want the recently accessed courses on this, so you can remove that. Or if you want this tab to be up, just hold it and bring it up and it will be on the upper side. Similarly, if you want the calendar to be little down, you can bring it down. And if you want to add some more courses and all, if you want to remove calendar from here or from here, this is all up to you. How are you comfortable about these? So now once I am done with this, so you can see accidentally I have removed my all courses which I was enrolled in. Okay, that has gone here. So how should I bring it back? So same, we customize, and from here I drag it here back. So everything is fine. So this was the brief video about the dashboard, where you will have the brief concise information about your courses, how to manage a course, and everything else we are going to learn in the next video. Thank you.